Hello friends, welcome to Tech Tip Guide. Today I'll show you how to download image with transparent background in Canva. So let's start. Over here I am in Canva workspace. If I want to download any image, let's search for man. Okay, then enter. You can see over here many images like, okay, let's choose this one. If I want to download this image with transparent background, then I simply click over to share, and if you scroll down you can find here download. Click on download and you can choose your file types. For transparent background, click on to PNG. Then you can check over here transparent background. This option is available only for Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, click on I button and you can find how to get Canva Pro for free. Then you can simply download. In this way you can download your image with transparent background. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.